Welcome. If you want to connect Baseus Encok W07 earphones to your Android smartphone, at first you have to go for the Bluetooth settings. So we have to activate Bluetooth, then click and hold icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. And when we are here, we have to open charging case of our earphones. And as you can see, when we rotate this case, here we got the pairing button. So what we have to do right now, we have to click and hold this button. And just take a look right here. Here you will get the indicator, and when the color change to the blue and it start blinking, we have to release that key, and it means that they are in the pairing mode. So just click hold, take a look here. Right now it's blinking, so click to pair new device, release the key, and after a few moments they will be available, and here they are. So we can simply click to connect, then tap to accept the pair, and as you can see right now earphones are connected. So we can easily grab one of these AirPods, put it to the ear, and after that we can hear this characteristic sound, and it means that they are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!